Hello, scholars, and welcome to this portion of our math lesson. Now that we are all warmed up and ready to go, let's look at our I can statement for today. It says, I can strategize to solve unknown problems. Just like in the games we play, we make a game plan or a strategy to win. The same is true for math. We make a game plan or a strategy to ensure that we solve the problem to the best of our ability. Let's look at our first example. Yesterday I saw 11 birds on the branch. 3 birds joined them on the branch. How many birds were there on the branch? Let's reread the question again to better understand. Yesterday I saw 11 birds on a branch. 3 birds joined them on the branch. How many birds were there on the branch? Now, scholars, in our game plan or our strategy, are we adding or subtracting? Let's think about it, then answer. If you said we are adding, you're correct. Here it says 3 birds joined them on the branch. Now they want to know how many birds are there. So if the birds joined the other birds, we must be adding. Now I'm going to go ahead and underline the word joined so I know that I'm adding. And the question, how many birds were on the branch? Then I'm going to go ahead and circle the main numbers in the problem. Next, I'm going to draw my birds. Let's begin. How many birds are on the branch? 11. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Here are my 11 birds on the branch. Then 3 birds join them on the branch. So now I'm putting on my 3 birds to join my 11 birds. 1, 2, 3. Now I'm going to add them all up so I know how many birds joined them on the branch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 14. 14. 14 birds are now on the branch.